Hey everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. Today you guys, this is going to be a really quick video, but in response to several of you who inquired about the kind of sausage that I fixed, that one sausage link that I fixed in our weekend video that I did, our breakfast video for the Saturday episode, okay? I use the sweet Italian sausage links. You guys, I love the taste of, it just has a distinct taste to the sweet Italian sausage. So oftentimes I like to fix these with our breakfast. Now, the sausage links, they have a natural casing on the outside of it. Some people take them off. I don't, because they are totally edible. So I just usually cook my sausage with the casings and I just eat it. Now, I'm going to use my cast iron skillet. And like I said, this is how I fix our sausage. And I like to steam them in water first. Now my skillet is naturally seasoned. Well, I season my cast iron skillet every time I cook in it. I clean it. I always season it with some oil. Well, not oil. I season it with bacon grease most of the time. Sometimes I season it with Crisco, but it's usually bacon grease. But you can use like vegetable oil if you have a cast iron pan and you want to season it. You can use vegetable oil, okay? Now, I'm just going to start by rinsing these off. You don't have to do this, y'all. It just makes me feel better. It's just how I was raised. My mom always washed her meat or rinsed her meat before she cooked it, and I'm just used to doing it. So, again, totally not necessary, but it's just the way I choose to do it. Of course, I have thoroughly washed my hands. You guys, don't be in the kitchen with nasty hands, because that's just nasty. So I'm going to turn my burner up so I can get the water boiling, and then I'll turn it down. But in the meantime, I'm just going to add my sausages. And I like to add enough water to where it comes up at least halfway up the side of the sausage. Again, this is just the way I like to do it. And then once it starts boiling, I'll soon turn it down, and I'm going to cover it and like let it steam for at least 15 minutes. Now, you may not have to cook it that long, but you guys, I always like to make sure that my meats are done on the inside. I'm not the girl that eats the medium well kind of meat. I don't like to see any pink, so I like my meats well done. I'm sure some of you say I will ruin a good steak. Well, be that as it may, but that's just what I prefer to do. So we're going to let this cook, and after it starts cooking, now I'll cook it a little bit with the top off, and then I'm going to cover it because I want that water to cook down just a little bit. And then I'm going to cover it and let it steam. So like I said, we're going to cook at least 15 minutes. And then once I uncover it, I'm going to flip them over and get them brown on both sides. And I kind of like my sausages to be a little charred on each side, just a little bit. So I'm going to speed this up. You guys can watch this cook, and then we'll see what they look like once they're done. So after about 15 minutes, you know, the water has cooked down. My electric stove is set on the number 6, and I still like, you'll see that they look pale, and I still like to let them cook kind of slow. And with this top being off, it's gonna, the rest of that water is gonna cook out. Just gonna totally cook away. And I just continue to let them cook. So now I'll kind of go into my frying stage, where I'm gonna fry them on both sides. And what I'll do is I'll just keep cooking them until they get to my desired doneness on the outside, or get as brown as I want them. But definitely get a little brown in them. Even if you don't want them charred, they still need to cook longer than this. And you'll notice how the water has really cooked out, and it's starting to almost look like it's about to burn over here. I'll add maybe just a little bit more water. All you need is just a little bit. And be careful, because it does sizzle and pop. But that just kind of, it keeps that from like totally burning right now, okay? So the only thing I'm doing now is I'm going to get them browned on each side. And again, I keep adding just a little bit of water because I don't want them to burn, because they are still continuing to cook. But you see, it doesn't take long for that little bit of water to cook down. And if I didn't keep adding water like that, then they would just kind of sit here and burn. But you see how quick that cooked down? He's almost ready to come out. I can tell this side of my frying pan cooks faster than this side. So that's why I'm kind of moving them over here. Guys, that's it. Look at the juices kind of. You see it kind of oozing out of there. Oh, they smell so good. careful because they do get the popping and can on. So you guys, that's it. So it probably takes me, my process takes at least about 25 minutes for me to cook my sausages. Again, I like to make sure that my Italian sausages are done. Look at that, you guys. Oh, and they taste so good. All right. Well, that's it, you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I already look forward to you joining me again next time. Bye.